morning, children. How are you all? I hope so. You all are pretty. So, children, here we have to complete chapter 27 and 26 I have given in the homework. That was also very interesting chapter. It was moved to work. Hope all have completed this chapter. So here again we will learn about the transport. In the previous chapter also that was the vehicles, but here it is transport chapter. So how they are the strange transport. As we have already discussed about some different strange word, animals and places. So here also we have to discuss about strange world transport. Why they are strange? What are the specialities of these pictures? So let us learn. Some strange means of transport are used in different parts of the world. So let us read and learn about them. Our funicular is found in Turkey. Where it found? It is found in Turkey. And funicular means it is a special type of railway that travels up and down steep slopes. Okay, you can see in the picture itself, it can go up and down. Okay, it is a kind of inclined. Inclined means sloping railway on which a tram moves up and down a hill using a cable. Through the cable, it can move. Okay, tram means it is also a type of bus that works via electricity and that moves along special rails in the road. Through the cable, children, can you tell me what you have seen? Yes, in the Vera Ghat, have you seen that special thing? Yes, what was that? You give me the answer, okay? It is also runs with the cable and through the electricity. By the electricity that can run. Now come to the second picture. How it is looking, children? It's looking like an old taxi, but in Thailand still it is using. In our city we have not seen right now, but in our city means near our city as Sagar, and earlier it was using. Yes, but now we are not, means the people are not using this truck, or we can say it's a pickup or it is a taxi. Okay, but in Thailand it is used as a truck. So Song Thao is a pickup truck used in Thailand. Okay, but it is a taxi. So it is pickup truck used in Thailand. Also it is called bunt bus. What it's called? Bunt bus. It has two benches. As you can see in the picture, there are two benches. Yes, in this was one this side and one this side. It is, we can see it is easily. Okay, so two rows used as a shared taxi or the bus. Okay, there are two benches set in the two rows. Now let us move for the next picture. Wow, how it is looking. It is looking totally different. Where it founds? It founds in Havana and Varadora. It's called a taxi. It is, which taxi it is? It is a Coco taxi. Yes, Coca-Cola Coco taxi is shaped like a hollowed out coconut. Why it is called Coco? Because it is hollowed out coconut. Hollowed means, you know, children, which is not a solid. It is empty. It is just having a shape like a coconut. It is inside hollow now. Coconut is inside, it's a hollow shape. Okay, so it is also hollow. Yes. There are yellow taxi for the tourist. Which color use they have to use for the tourist? They have to use yellow color for the tourist and black for the locals. Locals means those who are living there in that city. Okay. So it's a Coco taxi. Hubble Hubble runs in Philippines. Where it runs? It runs in Philippines. Wow, it's also it's different. Unique it is. How they have to run in the road. Now it is two-wheeled. How many wheels are there? Two-wheeled transport, but it can carry up to 10 people. This type of vehicle we have seen in our city, but these two extra thing is there. Through this they can carry at least how many? 10 people together at a time on, or it can run on rural roads carrying people and goods. Goods means material things, heavy things also we can carry, okay, through this vehicle. Okay, now let us move for next picture. What it is, how it is looking. Yes, it's looking like a boats. Yes or no, children? Yes, it is Ice Angel Boats. Operates off the coast of Wisconsin from Apples Island during the winter. In which season it is using? During the winter. Which island? Apples Island. Okay. Apostle Island, it's used during winter. And a 2-mile ice highway forms for the Ice Angel boat. How many miles it can use? 2 miles. And to cross from Magellan Island to Wisconsin Island. These are the two island name. Okay. Ground Apostle and Magellan Island. These are the two island names. So it can move during the winter 2 miles. Okay. For the different things. So children, this is your chapter 27. Hope you would have cleared about this. How they are the strange. What are the speciality. Now let's move to the second means the next page. Here this is page number 38. So what we have to do? Sorry children. Here what it is written? Stop, check and go. These all exercises are based on page number 4 to 37. Means chapter 1 to chapter 27. Okay, chapter 1 to 27. These exercises are based. So let us learn about the exercises, and this is your homework. You have to complete in your book itself and find the answers, because from this page to 42 page it will come in the examination. So be careful about writing the answers in the book. Write the answers correctly. What is the first question? Give your answer in one word. So here you have to give the answer in one word. Write your answer here. Okay. First is, where is Mehtab Bagh located? Second, what is the national flower of Russia? Which is called the only brother state? Next is, who built the first castles in England? And last is, how many states of India has used of plastic bin banned? Okay. Question number 2 is, write 2 examples of each. European castles, street words, national flowers, animals that use as camouflage, and strange world transport. Just now we have discussed about this question. Yes, Coco taxi, funicular, like this you can write. So tick the correct option is the next and C exercise. Who was the first Indian actress in Indian movies? You have to find the answer and put the tick here. Where is the Thames River? Which of these is a round-eared tailless animal? Name the trains transport found in Havana and Varadora. Just now you know very well what we have to learn in this question. Where is the Rancho Bridge located? Okay, children. So this is your page number 38. Now let us come to the page number 39. Question number D is exercise D. We can say identify the following. So you have to identify the pictures and write the answers in the blanks. Okay, these are the different things or pictures we can see. What is the next exercise? It is E exercise. Write T for true and F for false. So you have to write the correct spelling of true and false in the blanks. Space is less, but you can manage. Outside of the box also you can write it, no problem. Neer Mahal is former royal palace in Tripura. Jaipur is called the golden city. Pitha of Assam is a rice cake. Kilkenny Castle is located in Ireland. Sikkim was the first state where the use of plastic was banned. This is your E exercise. Now let us move to the F exercise. Fill in the blanks. Plastics don't dash. What is the answer? What should be the answer? You have to write it here. To prevent dash population, we can plant vegetation along stream banks. Question number 3 is trash is the highest minar in India. Question number 4 is trash is also called the sauger or the mountain lion. And last one is plum blooms is the national flower of which country it belongs. You have to write all the answer from the previous chapters and write this spelling correctly. Children, be careful while writing the answers or spellings. And in the next video I will explain you chapter 28 because it is IQ challenge 1 and 2, 28 and 29. So I will explain you, don't worry about it. Okay, till then you have to complete these 2 pages 38 and 39. Okay children, because I will ask the question either you have filled these pages or not. It will come in the examination, so take care of it. Bye bye.